Welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. This is a TCS off-campus interview experience from a mechanical engineering branch student. So if you want to watch this, if you are going to give any TCS off-campus interview, so this video is very helpful for you because you will be able to understand how the questions are asked and what should be your approach to give the interview so that you can crack the interview very easily. And what are the lastly, I will share some tips to crack the interview. So watch the video till the end to get more knowledge about the interview. So the interview starts like this: that how are you? You should say always fine, sir, and you have to put a smile on your face, right? Then the question is that second question is, tell me about yourself. You have to prepare a good introduction of yourself so that you can say it very confidently that I am from the engineering branch and I have done this project and I have done this internship and these are my hobbies, right? You can also add some new points if you think that that is valuable, and you can be asked question on that also. Then the next question is that what is your favorite subject in graduation. So if you want to if you know a computer science subject very well so that you can handle any question, then you can go for a computer science subject. Otherwise it is always preferable to go with your core branch subject that you know well, right? Because if you say a computer science subject and if you can't answer any question, then that will create a bad impression. Either you can avoid it by saying a core subject, core branch subject as your favorite subject, right? The next question is that which programming language do you know. I know the Python language. Then the interview asked that write a program in Python to swap two numbers. Then you have to write a program in the chat section of the meeting, right? So that the program is syntactically correct, and also they will check the logic. And then the another program you are asked to write that calculate factorial of a number. So you can also write the program in the chat section. So these two programming questions are asked. Then the seventh question is that what is your major project? Tell me about your project. So this is a very important question. It is asked almost to every candidate that to explain their major project. Okay. So the technologies you have used, the impact on the community that your project is going to have, and what is your project. You know, what is your project? Hmm. Project different from the conventional projects, that those things you have to tell. So prepare this question very well. It is almost asked in every interview, so prepare this very well on your major project. So then the question is asked that are you ready to work in night shifts. You have to always say yes sir, never say no to this question, because then their protocol may be that you can be get rejected if you say that no, I am not ready to work in night shifts, but they are hiring candidates to work in night shifts also. That can be a possibility. So always say yes sir to this question. And then the last question is that do you have any questions for us. If you want to avoid, you can say no sir, otherwise you can also ask a question. Okay. So this was the TCS interview experience. If you want to have more experience, write more interview experience, then write yes to the comment. I will make more videos on them. Okay. And if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel to get more future updates.